All right, so if you're a content creator and want to use AI to make videos faster, yeah, Pika AI can really help. In this video, I'll show you how to use it for content creation step by step. First, quick idea. With Pika AI, you can create short videos, visuals, and creative clips for social media. Start by opening Pika AI and logging into your account. Once you're inside, decide what type of content you want to create. Short videos usually work best for platforms like YouTube Shorts or Reels. Now write a creative and clear prompt so the AI understands what you want. For example, a cinematic shot of a futuristic city with glowing lights and smooth motion. Then click Generate, and Pika will create your video automatically. It might take a few seconds, so just wait a bit. Once your video is ready, you can preview it. If needed, adjust the style, motion, or format to match your content. You can also create multiple variations of the same idea, and then choose the best one. After that, download your video and, if needed, add text, captions, or music using any editing app. Then upload your content to platforms like YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. And yeah, the key is consistency. Keep creating and testing different ideas to improve your results. So yeah, Pika AI makes content creation faster and easier, even if you're just starting out. And uh, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI content guides coming soon. All right.